are you doing? Huh? What you doing? What are you doing? Are you watching your feathery big brother eat his millet? Bruce, are you watching your feathery big brother eat his millet lunch, huh? He says, I love my feathery big brother. I just love him so much. Everything about him is so wonderful. And I just love him so much, and I just want to spend all my time with him. You are so cute. What are you doing, Bruce? Honey? The mysterious ways of the besotted box turtle. I don't quite understand what's going on here, my love. I don't quite understand what's going on here, my love. Yeah. You're so cute. Oh, he's transferring his affections. Have you found the big blue lady box turtles? He says, Mom, I have. I love the big blue lady box turtles too, Mom. I love them too, Mom. In fact, I love everyone, Mom. Yeah, I love everyone, Mom. Yeah. That's just the kind of big, brave box turtle I am, Mom. I have a Texas-sized heart, Mom. Yeah. I'm much bigger on the inside, Mom. You are so cute. Would you just look at this box turtle? What are you doing? What are you doing, my love? What are you doing, my love? Box turtle playtime is just the best, isn't it? It's just the best.